think a lot of the trials are now taking this to the next step in that they're combining some of the bispecific antibodies with chemotherapy or chemoimmunotherapy for upfront settings, and also trying to use more dose limited or time limited therapy, I should say, as well as using the step-up dosing that I described. Also, I think trials in the future may be more MRD directed in that if the patients have negative MRD testing for a couple different time frames, then maybe the treatment can be stopped or can be stopped earlier than it otherwise would have. So I think there's a lot of different studies we're going to be seeing with combinations, first-line therapy, and then MRD-directed therapy.
So
for diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, it is a standard now, and it is reimbursed by Medicare. So that's definitely a standard that is available as of today. In addition, for mantle cell lymphoma, that's something that can be ordered and is a standard of care. Follicular lymphoma is not actually approved yet, but a lot of the studies are using it in a research fashion and have found it to be a very strong correlation. So I think in the near future, we're going to be seeing a lot more use of MRD as it gets more FDA approved. Also, probably newer techniques that are more sensitive will become available on the MRD testing, and that's going to make it even more potent and useful. You know, the purpose of doing a lot of those testing is to try to decrease the amount of treatment that we give for patients and not overtreat patients. So I think in the long term, it's going to be very useful. I think, definitely a lot of these bispecific antibodies are becoming more and more available in the community, and I think we'll be seeing a lot more use of those, potentially for older people or people that we don't think are CAR T-cell candidates. There's definitely much longer term information available for CAR T. So if you have a young patient or, someone that can physically or, insurance-wise able to get the CAR T, that's still probably the preferred methodology, at least for diffuse large B-cell. Follicular, I think, is still a little bit up in the air, but I think we're going to be seeing a lot more use of some of these newer agents down the road.